Alright you guys, so we are selling the ATV today, so stay tuned for further projects. Alright you guys, we have just sold the ATV for $500. With all of our sales with the rims and the ATV, we are at $1,600, dude. We're doing so good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what our next project we should invest all this money into and sell it for a better profit. I love you guys so much for your support. Dude, we are doing so good. Peace. Okay, with the sale of the rims and the ATV, we have $1,600. We can buy the Shelby hood right now, and we are good to go. I really want you guys to comment down below if we should get the Shelby hood, complete the kit project, or take that money, invest it, and then buy something else and sell it. Guys, wow, this has been a journey, dude. We're doing so good. We're doing so good. After all the low balls and the low offers, we finally... So I got the ATV for $150. Okay, I got it for $150. I put about $30 into it, little things here and there, whatever. We sold it for $500. Do the math, calculate the profit. We're Gucci. It's not a lot of profit, but it adds up. So we can either take that 500, invest into a dirt bike, ATV, snowmobile, whatever, a go-kart, anything you guys want. Comment down below, or W in chat and comment down below if we should just get the Shelby hood, install it on the car, and then wrap or paint the car. Let's get it, guys. I love you guys so much.